to drink some laxative and shit all their jealousy out before we drop this beat. Bitch, I got Chanel shoes, they cost more than your rent. I was ugly, now I'm hot, so bitch, I can be your friend. And I am a skinny legend, damn, I may take a man. I got clout, and I got rocks in my back.
Back when I was broke, couldn't get no hoes. Now I got a bunch of designer clothes. Back in the day, I didn't really have shit. Now these whores are on my dick. And I'm with Ava, yeah, she bad. She might just fuck on your dad.
I have all the Gucci, all the Louis, y'all could never have. Dr. Phil can suck a dick, he's just mad I'm hot as shit. All these girls are fat like bitch, I think y'all could use some tips. I'm skinny, I'm winning, and all you bitches are ugly. All the guys in my phone are ugly and fat, so don't call me.
All these bitches on my dick, they giving me head in the lobby. I beat up the pussy like Rocky. Bitch, if you're fat and you're ugly, just pop me. Got some hoes on the phone, and they wanna get me dumb, yeah. I want a bitch in a foreign, if she not skinny, then damn, she boring. If I'm gonna hit, she gotta be bad. I'm eating that pussy in front of her dad.
Everyone knows me now, I got fans. All these bitches, I'm taking their man. Skinny for the 9, you shouldn't be famous. I heard you're a rat, and that's why you're hated.
Skinny and beautiful, Ava, we made it. I swear on my mother, these niggas, they hate it. And Dr. Phil mad, he can't afford shit. Should know what the Louis, we got all the drip.
I'm rich, a little bitch. I just spent a rack on my kicks. I'm hot, I'm lit. Spend bread to fix my lips. Bitch, I got Chanel shoes, they cost more than your rent. I was ugly, now I'm hot, so bitch, I can be your friend. And I am a skinny legend, damn, I may take a man. I got clout, and I got rocks in my back. That wasn't very skinny of you to say, Gemma.
It doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna eat the box in front of your dad anyway.
First of all, I'm from Houston. Picky bitch, I'm choosy. Feel like it, I'ma do it. New with the new shit. I do what the fuck I want, when the fuck I want. Bitch don't like me, all you want. Run up, bitch you won't.
Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah, bitch don't like me, all you want. Run up, bitch you don't.
4,
Hey,
3,
hey, yeah,
2,
do what I want and you do what you
1.
can. That's why I'm breaking your man. Today I woke up in my act. Look at these bitches, they whack. Now look at Megan, she bad. Ayy, niggas in love with this ass. Ayy, ride you like a bee. Want me next to you like I'm B. College girl like my Weisha. With titties like Mia Khalifa. I need to run up a bag quick. I need to hit me a new lick. I told these hoes quit fucking these tricks. I get that money, not giving up shit. Getting my motherfucking money on. And I ain't coming if the money wrong. Bitches hate me like I done them wrong. Talking shit, but they ain't coming wrong. Do we have a problem, bitch? With your nigga, probably, bitch. You soft and I'm solid, bitch. Walk in, look like money, bitch. I do what the fuck I want, when the fuck I want. Bitch don't like me, all you want. Run up, bitch you won't. Man, I'm on these bitches' necks like a fucking charm. Make a nigga come quick like a fucking arm. I look like I belong in a pageant. Most of these bitches look like they done had it. I know I'm pretty, but she could get wretched. Pull up with niggas that's full of that action. He think my hustle attractive. Thumbing through money romantic. Ayy, right on the dick how I dance. Your bitch only fuck on her back. Ew, I be talking to him reckless when I'm super faded. I told that nigga eat this pussy like your mama made it. Sitting on your baby face, I'm the babysitter. If you knew the bitch was lame, why you fucking with her? I want that face like a book. Get in your mouth like I cook. But niggas serving them looks. I got the girls and they shook. I really go harder than hoes. Harder than some of your bros. She wanna be me, I know it. He let this pussy control him. Hey, yeah. Young Tina Snow going hard on the hoe. Hey, and I'm still running through the mall with your motherfucking daddy.
Better than me, all of them bitches ain't better than me. I know you wanted something, I set you free. You gon' fake it how you lost one in your speed. Better than me, she ain't no queen. I'm like Houdini, put a little magic in you like they can't see me. She's so dicky in that polka dotted bikini. Baby, why you frontin'? You know that I've been her best. I come for their neck, they run cause I'm next. You so undeniable lately, she just got you stressed. She got no finesse, she just get undressed. Yeah, put the honey in the pot, put a nigga in his place. She just wanna toast. I can make him screw and trust me, he wake up right in the morning or like 2 and just to get a smooch and touch on that caboose. And what they say about it? Oh, they say either you snoozing, honey, you just lose him. Why the fuck he snoozing? Messing with my man, shawty, you cruising for a bruising. Don't gotta be slimy, honey, swagger's what I'm oozing. And they call her a trick because all she got is illusions. We walk in the room and compliment each other smoothly. Remember how I kissed you upside down like in that movie? Let God be the judge and we can get rid of these Judas. Better than me. She better than me, babe. Best pussy. Come from wifey. Better than me. All of them bitches ain't better than bitches. I know you wanted something less than them bitches. You gon' make it, I get lost when you next me. For you, baby. Careful who you fucking with, 'cause you just lost one. Just be careful who you fucking with, 'cause you just lost one.
Getting ready, so I know we gon' be here a while. In the bathroom, flat irons and nail files. Spending hours in salons on your hairstyle. And in the mall, steady racking up the air miles. Hit the gym, step on the scale, stare at the number. Say you dropping 10 pounds, preparing for summer. And you don't do it for the men never notice. You just do it for yourself, you the fucking coldest. Intelligent too, ooh, you my sweetheart. I've always liked my women book and street smart. Long as they got a little class like half days. And the confidence to overlook my past ways. Time heals all, and heels hurt to walk in. But they go with the clutch that you carry your lip gloss in. And look, I really think nobody does it better. I love the way that you put it together.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Well, aren't you a breath of fresh air? From all these superficial gold digging bitches in here, they get a ball and figure they ain't gotta pick a career. Guess they plan on sucking dicks until some millions appear. Like voila, you do it right, he just might buy you a car. Man, she play these suckers just like B.O.B. play the guitar. Now here you are, with your girls having drinks at the bar. I say I'm buying, you decline, that is kinda bizarre. Independent with the demeanor of an R&B singer. Naked ring finger, M3 Beamer, champagne range, triple white Jag, closet full of brand new clothes and handbags. Alexander McQueen, Prada, Gucci, Chanel, D&G, BCBG, Versace, Louis and BB. You ain't needy, greedy, or easy as these other breezes who fuck for bottles of reason, the bowls of baked ziti.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my
LA girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. And my T.O. girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, nail done, hair done.
Said go Cinderella, go Cinderella. Orgasm, blush, lipstick, and concealer. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer. And ain't nobody realer, and ain't nobody realer. Go, 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 go. Showtime. Go, 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 go. As we proceed.
5.5 and boys, asses off the hook. Cinderella about to lose the glass off her foot. And when I find it, it's when I find you.
and we could do the things we never got the time to. Better late than never, but never late is better. They tell me time is money, but we'll spend it together. I'm down for whatever, you just lead the way. We go to dinner, y'all don't even look at me to pay. Mature women with more than me were the first to tempt me. And Jason had this girl Tammy with a purple Bentley. How she got it, I ain't never get to ask. I just knew that she was fine like a ticket on the dash. Yeah, but shout out to the homeowners, the girls that got diplomas and enough money to loan us a little something extra, should we ever need it. If it sounds like you, then let me hear you repeat it.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did.